On the last episode of Man vs. Teddy, we saw Teddy play tennis. That wasn't very good, was it, Teddy? No, it wasn't. Now, Teddy, have you been to Teddy Hospital lately? Yes, I have. What are the damages? Well, I have like this big split seam in my back, and you just spat on me. Sorry. Okay. Anyway, this is the big seam that big mean man put on me. Never trust a stranger, kid. Now, to start our new show. The other show was a bit too violent. Our new show, Nursing Babies. Da, 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 da. Oh my gosh, Teddy does not like Nora singing. Boom! Da, 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 da.